restaurant.
There's a Chick-fil-A in there. Guess what? We're going to the Chick-fil-A that is in there.
Hey, Amaya.
Today we're going to we're gonna for the merry-go-round. We're gonna go to the play area and we're gonna go eat there.
Edna, are you excited? I have a surprise for you. We're not going to Chick-fil-A, Mommy. We're gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, we have another surprise for you guys for today.
We have a Chick-fil-A in there, Hoya.
This is how we stay busy in the car.
What about Edna? Edna, you don't want to sing?
Edna's already tired. We haven't even got there yet.
Alright, which way do we go? That way or this way? Edna, what are you doing? Edna! Edna, what are you doing? Come on. Are you sad? You guys excited? Huh? Where?
I want to go in that field house.
Apparently they got a basketball court here. You got a room for your sister?
Yes!
Amaya! Amaya! Come here. Where is it at? Who's driving today? Amaya is the co-driver?
No, I'm the driver.
Shouldn't Amaya be driving? She's the oldest.
We're the drivers, okay? Okay, Amaya, you get in the front.
Okay. Alright, I'm in. You ready?
Dada, it's a ride.
There's a ride.
Can you like
Hmm?
you just need a card. Mama, you just need a card to swipe.
It needs $1. We don't have any quarters. We gotta go get some quarters.
From where?
Well, you don't want to go in there? Oh, let's go. What did you just drop? Just leave it.
Totally broken.
Just leave it at that. Let's go.
I want to buy an animal.
What animal do you want to buy?
I want to draw like a chicken.
What is that?
Chicken.
What animal is that?
Right here.
restaurant you were talking about? Where's Edna? How you like it, everybody? Buddy, you enjoying this?
Dory!
Where's Dory at?
There, there's two Dory.
I don't see no Dory.
Out there, swimming up there and there.
It's not Dory.
Yes, it is. Up there, see, she's swimming there. Here's Dory. Here's Dory. See?
Oh.
What do we say here? Here's Dory, Dory.
What's that?
That's jungle, jungle.
Where?
Jungle, over there. Let's go. Dory, say that. Dory, say that. Dory.
What is this?
Dory.
Look at the name of this.
Unicorn tank.
What is it called?
Unicorn tank. It is part in Spanish. We see Dory. We saw Dory's mom and Dory. There's Dory. There's Dory up there. Yeah, there's Dory.
Yeah?
Dory.
Oh, how'd it go?
We have
Snapping gator.
cool. You can drop it inside. And I should look at it. Put it on here. It doesn't look real.
It does look real. You don't see it still moving?
Yeah, but it's still.
Sorry.
I can make
Am I?
I want to take the bottle.
It's gonna eat you. Girls, we gotta go. Car. Mommy's new car? Why do you want me to call Jab? That's my watch you're playing with. Yeah.
To get on there. Are you guys excited?
Yeah,
Are you scared, Edna?
we can use this thing to
You think you can do it? Edna.
Y'all ready?
Yeah!
Now don't scream too loud, okay? Amaya's ready already, ready to go. Amaya? Are you scared? You ready? Okay. Look at Edna. Marian! Huh? You want to try it too?
I'm gonna let her Alice get to so she can run around for a little bit.
Wait, Amaya. All right, Edna. You ready? Thumbs up if you're ready.
You wanna get back in there? I'm gonna push you back in there. You don't stop. She does. Make me mad.
What does she think? It looks like you?
No, I'm saying I carried her. It's the same face.
Edna, you in there?
I'm not yelling.
It's not that scary?
No.
Okay. What about you, Amaya? Edna wants to. Maria wants to get in there. Done already? No, stay in there. She's gonna take off the seatbelt for you. Is it done?
That's what roller coasters do to you people. I just ate. Exactly. So go up in my car. Just don't pull it over and just go ahead and get out. Okay. Don't make a big fuss about it. Just get out. Okay. No one's going to. No one's about to happen. Go up in my car. Get it out. Just like how the flow was off. This video is really big.
It is? Thank you. She's a jammer. Am I?
Yes?
What's happening in there?
Oh, a little girl sleeping in the woods.
Huh?
A little girl sleeping in the woods and there's a guy watching the same movie as me.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I see elephants.
You see elephants? Where, in Africa?
Yeah, I see a hummingbird. It is the elephant. Dada, it is the elephants in the Africa.
Say that again.
Now I saw dinosaurs.
What are you crying for, Edna? How much is that? $10. Yes. All right, let's go. Come back to work. All right, Edna, you can take it off. All right, wait. That was cool. What did you see?
Thank you, my love.
I was seeing on the
Thank
middle
you.
from the woods, but at the end there's the forest fire.
All right, we're back at the jungle.
You gotta Edna. I want Edna there.
Marian. Edna, what are you gonna eat? You gonna color? What about you, Amaya? What are you gonna order? Huh?
Pizza!
What does Maria want?
Maria wants mac and cheese and she wants to eat this. Pink, say pink.
Red. Red.
Yeah?
She's really trying to color. Look at her, it's so cute.
You open this for me now? Oh, there's Dory, 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 Dory.
What's going on, Amaya, there?
Okay, open it.
Try to open it. You can do it. Try to bite it.
Maria, you have your own paper. You took hers there, Edna. Never mind, she's coloring.
What are you drawing, Amaya?
Oh, I'm drawing this frog.
Huh?
I'm drawing this frog.
What about you, Edna? What are you drawing? Why does Edna look sad?
Because I can't find my red, but this one is not mine, it's Median.
So you're gonna be sad instead of looking for it?
I did, but I can't find it.
What color was it?
Pink,
You do have a pink. That's pink right there. What color is that?
pink,
That is pink.
very pink. And I can't find my pink.
You already have it in your hand. What is
This
that?
is not mine.
It is yours.
It's mine.
Yeah.
That's not mine.
All right, look at baby Marian acting up. Look at this. Look at this. She's trying to get out. Oh my gosh, she's escapist. Thing. What happened? Baby Marian took it?
But they are the same color. Pink is pink.
What is this one doing?